Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter G. This is uppercase G and this is lowercase g. G is for girl. G is for girl. G is for grapes. Grapes. Grapes means angur. G is for goat. Goat. Goat means bakri. G is for guitar. Guitar. Guitar means guitar. G is for girl. G is for grapes. G is for goat. G is for guitar. Let's write letter G. Okay? Go to the top and draw a big curved line. Okay? Draw a big curved line. A standing line and a small sleeping line. This is letter G. Draw a circle and a curve. This is letter G. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.